say, baby, 'cause I had to mention, if you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in something you got. Obvious you're pretty, heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, around, around. They notice, but shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around. Cause we got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. Good love, cause you the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's on his mind to the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Baby, every time you come around, you down like computers. Crazy, step into my heart and you put you in the tons.
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. All my
Tell me is you still love? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. Then again, I can be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll the dice since I picked. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Okay, yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. But you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. And again, I can be drunk. Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. And 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. Upstairs, it's like a law. I know it just be the best. I'm looking at her, and her started turning to you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her? We probably trapped in the birds. F29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's smelling upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, make it squeak. I make this shit beat. Whatever teeth when I feast. Sleeping and slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it hard to creep. Just leave the gate open. Notice I know I'm a creep. Are you about it to rail? And now that gets down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell, do tell. Tell me is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. But then again, I can be drunk.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for ZLike hair. Today I'm reviewing this beautiful closure unit from them actually, you guys. I believe that this is a kinky curly texture. I just pretty much just like fluffed it out with my fingers. I didn't use like any water or anything. And this is straight out of the box, you guys, okay? And then I just added like some baby hairs to it. And I just did a cute little flip over today. So we have a little baby hair action here. You guys see, even without the baby hair, the lace looks really good. But I didn't just want to leave it plain. I feel like it looked better doing a little something. I did like a little swoop there and just kind of like played around with it. Kind of goes into the little flip part. And then here, you know what I mean? It looks really good. I love this texture. It's more of like a fro than my typical. Because you guys know usually I go for like really long like deep wave or water wave, something like that, but this is a more tight of a curl. This is more of like a fro, and I love the length of this too, because I feel like if it was anything longer than this it would just be a little bit too overwhelming because of the texture. And I feel like this is a unit that's perfect for like the winter time or like the fall season that we're about to approach soon, because you know you need something that's going to keep you warm. This is definitely one of those units that's on the warmer side, so if it's like a hot summer day I wouldn't suggest something like this because of how full and curly this is. I would suggest something like this for the fall winter season. which is literally right around the corner. Okay, period. I'm so excited for fall. And for this to be a closure, like, it looks so good. I feel like it gives like frontal kind of vibes, which I can appreciate, especially because how full it is. Like, you can't really tell that this is a closure, so I'm really happy about that. Now, because the curl pattern is so tight on this unit, I will let you guys know that this is going to be a high maintenance unit. So when you get this unit, just be prepared to be on top of the maintenance. You're definitely going to need to detangle this unit pretty often. This is not a unit that you can just like wear and just throw water on every single day, because you know some curly units you can literally just throw water on it every day and you're good to go. But something like this, you're definitely going to want to make sure that you are on top of it as far as like detangling it. Make sure you're doing your co-washes, and anytime you detangle your hair, you always want to make sure you start at the very ends and then work your way up to the root. You never want to comb from here down. And I also suggest only detangling this hair when it's soaking wet. You don't want to do something like this when it's dry, because you're going to cause breakage and shedding and damage. Down here you can see more of the defined curls, but all I did honestly, you guys, was just like separate it, you know what I mean? And then that's how I got it like all poofy and fluffy like this, which I really like. It looks so cute. And a lot of times you guys ask me like what I'm using on my baby hair. It's just got to be glued. The OG got to be glued, girl. You can never go wrong. I'm probably gonna forever use this. I like using it to like adhere my units. I like using this to do my baby hairs. It's just a product that I love, absolutely have to have. And this is a transparent lace unit. If you guys wanted to know what kind of lace it is, it's not an HD unit, but it is transparent, so that's still just as good. It's no worries, because it still looks really like blended. Like if I lift my hair up here, you guys can see like the tracks start right there, by the way, so you guys see how much space you get in the front. But you guys can also see the lace there. Like, you know, it looks really good without any product right there. Okay, I can literally take my comb and go right under there, so you guys can see there's no product here. There's only product like on this part where I did my baby hairs and everything. And believe it or not, you guys, this is a 24-inch. So if you do order this unit, don't go any shorter than the 24-inch, because it's going to be super short. And the only reason why it looks this short is because of how tight the curl pattern is, because if you stretch it out, you guys can see like it's actually really long. But you can't tell. You see like it goes all the way down here when you stretch it out, versus being like up here to my shoulders. So it's one of those units where it looks a little shorter than what it actually is because of the curl pattern. But yeah, you guys can see that. Look how amazing it is. And I'm still going to show you guys the parting space on this unit, even though I did do a flip over, just so you guys can see. I'll part it down the center for y'all, so you guys can see. You do get a decent amount of parting space here. I think the tracks start like right around there. So yeah, definitely get a lot of parting space. Same on the side. So you can see a little bit. You definitely get a lot of parting space on this unit. It's so full. And yeah, if you wanted to wear it like down the center, you can do that too, which still looks really cute. You know, I just did that. It still looks cute. So you can play around with it, do a lot with it, but it's more of like a cute little curly fro, which I love. But like I say, you can part it down the middle. You could even do like 2 ponytails if you wanted to up top. You can do 1 ponytail. You can definitely play around with it a little bit. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. If you guys are interested in this unit and you want to purchase it yourself, make sure you do check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details to this hair. If there was something I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Shout out to ZLike Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful curly unit. And shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.